How to edit the Windows 11 taskbar. In Windows 11, Microsoft has introduced a sleek and modern taskbar with new features and aesthetics, allowing you to tailor your desktop experience to your unique preferences. Whether you want to fine-tune its appearance, streamline your app access, or optimize its functionality, Windows 11 offers a range of customization options to help you create a taskbar that works best for you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to customize the Windows 11 taskbar, from adjusting its color and transparency to customizing the taskbar icons. You'll discover how to make your taskbar a reflection of your style and workflow. You can customize the taskbar's appearance in personalization settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. In the personalization settings, select Colors. Here, you can change the taskbar's color and set it to be transparent. You can choose from 3 different modes: light, dark, and custom. Changing the mode to dark or custom allows you to change the color of your taskbar. To choose a color, expand accent color by clicking on it. You can pick your desired color and toggle on Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. If you want to give your Windows taskbar a sleek and modern look with a hint of transparency, you can achieve this aesthetic by enabling transparency effects. Now let's move on to the taskbar settings. Go back to Personalization and select Taskbar. You can customize the appearance of your search bar. You can hide it, show only the search icon, show the search icon and label, or the entire search box. You can also choose to hide or show the task view, widgets, and chat icons. You can adjust which icons you want to show in your system tray. That's in the bottom right corner of your screen. You have your pen menu, touch keyboard, virtual touchpad, and for other applications, click on Other System Tray icons. Now you just need to enable each app that you want to show in your system tray. If the app is currently running, you will see it here. Click Taskbar Behaviors. The default alignment for the taskbar icons is center, but you can change it to left if desired. The taskbar also has an auto-hide feature. Enabling this will auto-hide it when it's not in use. Simply move your cursor to the taskbar's location to reveal it. Some applications offer badge or notification count functionality. Check Show Badges on taskbar apps to make use of this functionality. Taskbar apps flashing typically indicate that an application running in the background is trying to get your attention or notify you of an event. By checking Share Any Window from my taskbar, you can share an app window directly into a Microsoft Teams meeting or video call from the taskbar. Enable Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop to quickly show your desktop. This is convenient when you have multiple windows open and want to quickly access your desktop. Showing seconds in the system tray clock offers a more precise way to track time. However, it's worth noting that this enhanced accuracy comes at a cost: increased power consumption. You can keep your most used applications at your fingertips or declutter your workspace by removing unnecessary icons, pinning and unpinning apps from the taskbar. If the app is currently open, you can pin it by right-clicking on its icon in your taskbar and selecting Pin to Taskbar. If the app is on your desktop, right-click on it, select Show More Options, then Pin to Taskbar. You can also look for the app in the Start menu. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and click All Apps. Right-click on the app you want to pin. Select Show More, then Pin to Taskbar. If you want to unpin an app, right-click on its icon in your taskbar and select Unpin from Taskbar. And those are the basic things you can do to customize your Windows 11 taskbar without having to install any third-party app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.